So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment training of trainers week 4th assignment 4. So the first question is, what is highly valued activity in the new information economy and a discipline that has come into its own in the digital age? So these are the option: website, strategy, design, technology. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, what is designing thinking? So design is a highly valued activity in the new information economy and a discipline that has come into its own in the digital age. So the answer of our first question is C, design. Now the second question is, which step in design thinking's process and digital pedagogy related to building representation of one's idea? So these are the option: ideate, prototype, define, empathize. So let's check the answer of our second question. Question second, prototype, build representation of your ideas. So the answer of our second question is B, prototype. Now the third question is, one aim of design in all its forms is to generalize across cases, streamlining the process of future design by offering general principles of applications or even universal pattern. So these are the option true and false. So let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, one aim of design in all its forms is to generalize across cases, streamlining the process of future design by offering general principles of application or even universal patterns. So the answer of our third question is A, true. Now the fourth question is, which of the following is not one of the advantages of new technology? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question 4, technology has enabled training to be delivered to different geographical location to accompany trainees whether they are at work or at home. Mobile technology and to be completed online using a personal computer. So the answer of our fourth question is D. Now the fifth question is, which of the factors mentioned below is one of the reason for higher use of training technology? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, the use of training technologies is expected to increase dramatically in the next decade as technology improves. The cost of technology decreases. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is, which of the following is not one of the characteristics of today's learner? So these are the option: digitally illiterate, mobile, always on, experiential. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question 6. Today's learners, mobile always on, experiential. So the answer of our sixth question is A, digitally illiterate. Now the seventh question is, which one is not a common way of collaborating in online learning? So these are the option: chat rooms, online conferences, traditional classroom methods, social networking. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. Question 7, common way of collaborating in online learning, chat rooms, online conferencing, social networking. So the answer of our seventh question is C, traditional classroom method. Now the eighth question is, in MOOC, what does C stands for? These are the option: communication, course, competition, collaboration. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8, massive open online courses. So the answer of our eighth question is B, course. Now the ninth question is, which of the following is not correct related to MOOC? No tuition fees, open access, open course for all regardless of location, base is less diversified. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. Question 9, advantage, open courses for all interested regardless of location, resulting in a more diverse student base. So the answer of our ninth question is D, student by base is less diversified. Now the 10th question is, dash refers to the process, experience, context, outcomes and relationship of teaching and learning in higher education. So these are the option: management, pedagogy, andragogy, ergonomics. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. Question 10. Pedagogy to refer to the process, experiences, context, outcomes, and relationship of teaching and learning in higher education. So the answer of our 10th question is B, pedagogy. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.